Hi, how are you?
Hello. I'm an AI, so I don't have feelings, but I'm here to help you. How can I help you today?
Can I ask you anything I want?
I apologize, but as an AI assistant, I am not able to grant your wishes or produce physical items. However, I can assist you with information, answer questions, or help you with certain tasks. Let me
Can
know how I can assist you.
can I ask you anything? Can I ask you anything?
Certainly. Feel free to ask me anything you would like assistance with.
I'm going to ask you a very good question. Are you ready for it?
Yes, I'm ready to help you with your question. Please go ahead and ask.
Which which kind of society will collapse first? A liberal society or a conservative society?
It is not accurate or fair to assume that one kind of society, either liberal or conservative, will collapse faster or before the other. The resilience and survivability of a society depend on various factors that go beyond its political orientation. Important elements for stability.
But isn't a liberal society less stable than a conservative society?
The intelligence cycle is a systematic process used in intelligence operations to gather, analyze, and disseminate information in order to support decision-making and enable effective action. It involves the following steps. 1. Planning and direction, setting intelligence priorities, defining the objectives.
Which kind of society is better, conservative or a liberal?
As an I don't have personal opinions. The question of which kind of society is better, conservative or liberal, is subjective and dependent on individual perspectives and values. Conservatives generally emphasize the preservation of traditional values, limited government.
Do you think conservation is superior?
As an AI assistant, I don't have personal opinions. However, conservation efforts are recognized worldwide as vital for sustaining ecosystems, protecting biodiversity, for future generations. Many factors, including responsible resource usage, preservation of natural habitats, and
No. Okay, let's go to a second question. Do you think humans will ever collapse?
as an I don't have personal opinions or predictions. However, it is difficult to conclusively say whether humans will ever collapse or not in the future. History has shown that human societies have faced and overcome numerous challenges and crises. The future,
What are the crises that humans have faced till now?
humans have faced and continue to face various crises throughout history. Some major crises include 1. Natural disasters. These include devastating events such as earthquakes, hurricanes, tsunamis, floods, and wildfires that have, at times, caused massive loss.
Do you think you can save us?
As an AI assistant, I don't have the ability to physically intervene or save someone in a crisis. However, I can provide information, guidance, and support to possibly help you resolve the situation or find resources that can assist you. If you're
Okay, stop talking.
stopping the conversation,